Welcome. Usually we work in our processes. We perform our daily routine. Kaizen is about stepping outside of this routine. Main idea behind Kaizen is to encourage all people in organization to work on processes they are part of. See the difference? Working in the process, comparing to working on the process. It can be short activity, where a person alone or near colleagues have some problem and are trying to eliminate it. It can be also larger activity between departments, colleagues, suppliers and so on. Larger group of people are put together to address difficult challenge. Improvements are made by wastes and redundancies identification and their elimination. Here are high-level steps during Kaizen event. Identify opportunities to be solved. Assemble Kaizen team. Understand current process. Understand reason why problem occurs. Set target change. Work on improvements to reach targeted change. Sustain changes. And celebrate. Let me show you an example, how Kaizen process can work. Let's have joiners shop producing wooden chairs. There is clearly defined process of making chairs. But there is something happening in chair frame stick together step. There are two joiners, Peter and John, working together in this process. Their work is to assemble chair pieces and stick them together using glue. Both, Peter and John, has realized that by expanding production by new products very often happens that there are mixed details for different chairs. This creates reworks and time spent by searching right detail. Required overtimes to make work done, has pushed them to do something about it. It was identified, there are two processes, where this mixing happens by performing gimbal walk. At cutting and at milling. The goal was obvious. To set deliveries from these process steps without mixing parts. Machinists Jack and Jim joined Peter and John in their improvement effort. Joins milling is equal for all components. So, different components are mixed, to make delivery between cutting and milling simple. Jack and Jim has not realized, this might complicate work on next processes. Team created 3 special areas for 3 different chair type components. They have separated components by length and width. Joiners will take all required details and move them to their area. Assembly will be much easier and faster. Special transport boxes were created for each component type. It is easy to transport and handle. There is chair type identified on each box. And these boxes fit to special chair area at assembly. Mixing of components is decreased to minimum. This change affected all production positively. There are 15% less reworks as it used to be. Lead time has decreased from 22 to 15 days. There were set up minimum and maximum levels of components at assembly. Detail is below minimum sign triggers production on previous processes. That helps production scheduling to be more accurate. Joiner's shop owner was so happy with these changes. He invited whole team to the restaurant for celebration. Kaizen translated as, change for better, became a philosophy and lifestyle for many companies. But also for persons. Important for working Kaizen concept, is strong support from top management, and spreading this philosophy across the organization. Take a look under the video, where you can find a link to my blog. You can download Kaizen checklist, and other Lean Six Sigma templates for free. Use it, share it. If you find this video helpful, give us a like. We'll be more than happy to have you in our online community, so hit the subscribe button and join Sigma Maniacs. Do not hesitate to post your comments, questions, or themes you are interested in to see on this channel. Looking forward to meeting you with the next video.